So tell me why I wake up this morning and I'm walking with my white friend. Yes, I said that
Look
because
at my friend.
look what you picked
friend.
up. I know. She added another white friend. So now I got two white
Look
friends.
at its little dangly. You want a kiss?
Look, I'm going to look at it. I'm going to watch you touch and play with it. But it has like mucus. Oh! Nah, I'm good. I can see it from a distance. But she's amazing though. No, I don't need good luck then. Look at that. No, I don't need. I'm going to pray to God for good luck. And I'm going to take it that way by. I'm not touching this. But it's actually pretty cool though. What did you say it was?
I mean, I think it's like a albino banana slug. I'm not really sure though. I need to do more research on it.
But it looks like, and you said something about the little hole in the corner. You said what?
So that is where their sexual organs come out of. And they will, they'll like poke each other in the head in order to reproduce. So
you can tell she knows a lot about bugs, insects. She knows a lot about all animals.
maybe a little too much.
So a little. So it's cool to hang out with her because I've been learning from her this whole trip. So I love that.
Oh.
So thanks for sharing your knowledge.
Say goodbye to my little friend.
Yes. All right. Peace out, y'all.
Hi.
All that mucus.
Wow.
Delicious mucus.
Okay, that's it. You see what I told y'all? We don't be doing stuff like this. You know what I mean? Because it's crazy. Did you hear her?
I did.
No.
She loves the
No.
mucus.
I love mucus.
No.
Actually, they use snails' mucus for like face masks and stuff like that. So you can like put it on your face and it's really good. So maybe I'll
This
collect
is why
it.
her face is glowing.
I rub this mucus on my face every day. Easy for me to say.